Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a 7x18 gooseneck equipment trailer with mini mega ramps. This trailer is a gooseneck. We have our safety chains and our breakaway cable. This trailer does have two 12,000-pound jacks, as well as a chain basket at the front of the trailer. There are side pockets and tie-down points along the side of your equipment trailer, as well as pressure-treated wood flooring. This trailer does have two 7K axles on 16-inch wheels and rims. This trailer is a dovetail trailer equipped with our mini mega ramps. There is also LED brake lights, as well as diamond plate fenders. Once again, this is a 7x18 gooseneck equipment trailer with mini mega ramps. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.